In front of me is Redmi Note 14s, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Apps. Now hit Dual Apps and either click on gray switcher next to any app you wish to clone and choose Turn On in the pop-up, or click on one of your recommended apps at the top, use gray switcher next to Dual Apps feature, wait, and then adjust all of those personalization options. Click on the chosen one, pick Always Ask, Default App or Dual App, and do exactly the same with all the other ones. When you finished, go back. As you can see, after that my apps were successfully cloned. If you wish to delete this clone, go back to the same settings and click on blue switches. Then confirm your choice in the pop-ups. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!